guys. Well, after work, and we're gonna go ahead and get a jump start on this. I know it's pretty bad, but we're gonna go ahead and try to tack that plate in there, and then go ahead and try to start rebuilding this over here. At least get the heater channel somewhat stabilized. Again, I know I need to replace it. Do not have the funds trying to work with what I have. So, off to work we go. Alright, well, I'm not going for beauty. This is inside the car. I haven't cleaned anything up, and I really don't plan on it. So here's what we did. We got a plate up there covering that hole. We got a piece of bar stock running inside from up front, back. I tacked on a piece of sheet metal under here. That's 1-inch tubing coming up. Another flat bar going down, and that one going from front to back. Hopefully to strengthen everything that's there. I don't know if it's overkill, I don't know if it's underkill, I guess time will tell. But I feel that it should be a lot more solid than it was. And there's only so much room to get the MIG gun in there. And my stick welder, that'll burn right through all that. To Lincoln 225. So, yeah, we'll continue on and see what we can do. Well, it's another day. I got a little bit of stuff done last night, not a whole lot. I went ahead and got the A-pillar cut in, got it tacked into place, and then I came home from work today. And when you know, I started just getting to work without really hitting the record button. I don't really know how many times you guys want to see time lapse of me cutting and welding. So I just kind of figured I'd just do a collage, kind of show you guys what's going on. But, here we've got a pillar in there. Got it tacked up on that side pretty well. Working there. Now the only downfall is right up in there. It's pretty much gone, so I'm having to try to piece it together and finding even more Bondo. So, but at least the A-pillar's in. I made sure it's nice and straight. fairly happy with it so far, considering what I have to work with. I really do wish that you know, I had more tools, more skills, more money, more, but we'll just have to make do with what we got. At least get the car back on the road and continue driving. So with that being said, I'll continue seeing if I can make some progress, and we'll check back in a little bit. Well, I made a nice little square patch. Got that tacked in, just need to clean it up a little bit. But this area here, man, it's going to be some tricky angles. So I'm going to have to sit down and think about that one a little bit. I don't know if I need to cut more out or what, but I'm trying to leave as much original metal as possible and then fill in with old metal. Well, old. It's cut from a car. Part of a door or something, I don't know. Using what I can find, using what I have. So, I think I'm going to take a break. At least it's getting there, slowly. A-pillar is in. It's just a matter of getting things patched up and whatnot. So, yeah, a little baffled over this one, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. I've gotten this far, right? So anyway, I think that might be it for this one. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If I'm boogering up pretty bad, if it'll be safe, whatever your thoughts are. Words of wisdom, those are always nice. Encouraging thoughts. I could use anything right now. So anyway, you guys have a great evening. I think I'm getting hungry, and if I know me, I will just continue working and never eat. So that's not good. So I'm going to take a break, think about these angles some, see if I can find some cardboard or something, and start making some templates. Anyway, till next time, have a good one.